Late this afternoon, jurors returned a verdict against the former Major League Baseball pitcher accused of a deadly attack on his in-laws.
We, the jury, in the above entitled action, find the defendant, Daniel Joseph Serafini, guilty of a violation of California Penal Code Section 187A, murder, a felony as charged in count 1.
Today, Daniel Serafini was found guilty of murder in the attack that killed his father-in-law, Gary Spohr. Serafini was also found guilty of other charges, including burglary and the attempted murder of Spohr's wife, Wendy Wood. He'll be held without bail until his sentencing, August 18th. ABC 10's Luke Clary was in court this afternoon as the verdict was handed down.
Yeah, he joins us live with reaction from the courthouse. And Luke, an emotional time for the family.
Well, yes, indeed, Chris. Laura, it was an emotional ending to a 6-week-long trial and a 4-year-long ordeal for a family that has been torn apart by this brutal crime. And I can tell you, as Dan Serafini was found guilty and as the judge read out the jury's verdict aloud, we saw him look up to the ceiling, shaking his head in disbelief, looking over to his left shoulder to his wife, Gary Spohr, who testified in his defense during the trial. But other members of the Spohr family cried out. They shed tears of joy and relief. They said that this was justice served. Adrienne Spohr is Gary Spohr's sister and the daughter of the victims too. And after hearing from her here, you'll also hear from one of the jurors who explained the deciding factor in this verdict.
It's been 4 years since my mom and dad were shot, and it's been 4 years of just hell. And the Placer County District Attorney's Office and Sheriff's Office never gave up. And today, finally, justice was served.
For us, it came down to, if it wasn't Mr. Serafini, who else could it have been? And then for us, it was, would it be better if we had him, the person we think it is, go away, or letting him go and the chance of anything like this happening again?
Now, the jury came to their verdict after 2.5 days of deliberations here at the Placer County Courthouse. They told us that they watched the video evidence frame by frame to make sure of their judgment. As for Serafini, he will remain in custody without bail pending sentencing, which is now set for August 18th. Reporting live in Auburn, Luke Clary, ABC 10.
Yeah, Luke, lots to track in the days ahead. We will continue to follow this closely and have more details on Late News Tonight at 11. Luke, thank you for that update.